So after building all the game objects, let's place it in their respective areas. So first we have this barrier. There are two barriers which will come at the center of this mat. There are two barriers like this, and we will place it in this way. And then we have two white cables, so it will go in this area. And then there are two server objects, black server objects will go in this area again. And then there is a broken red wire which will go one of the 4 slots in the Caribbean hub, which is the connection slot. So there are 4 connection slots, 1, 2, 3, 4. It will go at any one of these 4 areas. So basically it will be placed randomly on the competition day. It will be placed randomly. So for example, now I am keeping at number 1 connection slot at Caribbean hub. Now we have 2 solar panels, so one will go at this place. So here basically the solar panels will be fixed on the mat. So I have connected the Velcro and connected with this, and the other one will go on the second solar farm side. And then we have marking blocks. So these marking blocks also will be placed randomly. So basically one white and one black marking blocks will be placed on Pacific side, and one white and one black will be on the Caribbean side information center. So here randomly let's keep it like white will go on 1 and black will go on 3. And for Caribbean side I'll put white on 4 and black on 2. So currently for this tutorial I am taking this position as the randomization, and based on this we will see how you have to solve the challenge, what your robot will do to solve the challenge based on this combination of the setup. Thank you.